2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack. Really beautiful green color. He drove all the way to Vegas to get it and drove it back. He said he had the best 2,500 mile that he had. He enjoyed driving it from there and back, which I don't blame him. It's got stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there. Then what we got done on it is we deleted the mid mufflers or resonators. And then we also left the active exhaust there and there on this side. Then we did rear muffler deletes and put 5-inch tips, which look phenomenal. They fit that, they fit that opening perfectly. You can even actually fit 6-inch, but 5-inch makes it just look really clean, as you guys can see. So it's basically true dual other than the X pipe. That's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the 2 mufflers or resonators we cut off, and 2 resonators. All right, guys, let you hear it in a second. Much better. Hell yeah! Give it back. What? There's sound decibels. Go ahead. You gotta remember, it reached 121, guys. But you gotta remember, the active exhaust is not open either, so it'll get louder when you drive it.
Oh shit!
Or put it in sport mode. Yeah. We'll have you put it in sport mode in a second. They never disappoint, man. Especially with the 5-inch tips. They change the sound so much. So what do you think? Do you agree or disagree?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
That's awesome. Okay. The settings to open the baffles. Oh yeah. Change it even more. It's so sick. Man, that green color on it. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. We'll see. That's a Daytona too. Heck yeah. Look at that color. That's beautiful. Sounds really good at idle too. That's so sick.